My name is Mahmoud Al Hinai. I'm from Oman.
My name is Osama Sadi. I am from Sultanate of Oman.
My name is Abdullah Al Balushi.
My name is Ahmed Al Bakri. I was really happy that I was accepted in this university.
ASU is really prestigious college.
I will find a job easily.
When you're in Arizona, you would love hiking. The weather is the best weather you can find in the US.
I like the idea of having many international students here.
It's easy to make American friends or friends from any country.
Because I met Chinese friends, I started learning Chinese, and now I'm planning to getting into Chinese business.
I went out with some American students to Arabic restaurants and I told them about the Omani culture.
A lot of professors is helpful with students and help them outside of classes in office hours.
I am being challenged, especially by being #1 in innovation. It's all about real-life situations instead of just looking into a book or a syllabus.
Graduating from ASU I think is gonna help me edge out over other competitors.
It's a good experience.
Why not ASU? It will be the best choice you ever make.